In this video, I'm going to share with you the solution to a problem I solve in my workflow. I use Hermes agent a lot, to do most of my activities like content, research, coding. The problem was I was doing everything inside a single chat. And even though I use new and also compress most of the time my workflow, the context inside Obsidian and Notion wasn't appropriate. Each time I send a request to my Hermes agent to perform any task, Hermes has to go to Notion and Obsidian before doing that task. If Notion and Obsidian doesn't provide the right context, I'm not going to get the right output from my Hermes agent. So I had to do something about it. So I was thinking, what can I do? So I decided to create a group and multiple topics inside the group. And before I even created the group, I told my Hermes agent that I want to create a group right now because I think there's a lot of mixed context in our workflow. We need to have distinct workspace that we can rely on and also where we can ship most of our content to. So, for example, I don't want to be talking about research inside the same chat and talking about coding or talking about videos or talking about any other project that I want to do inside the same chat. I want to have separate topics based on that. So I told my Amos agent that I have created this group right now. And I want you to go to the group and create the topics based on our previous workflow. So I gave my Miss agent the group ID. And my Miss agent went to the group and created 25 topics. And these topics are based on my workflow with Hermes or the things I do on a daily basis with Hermes. Let me show you some of the stuff that we have been working on here to give you more context on what I'm trying to say. I gave Hermes this task and Hermes routed to this workspace, which was the correct topic, and you should go scroll down. You're gonna see also, hey, Moses, I wanted you to run research on how you see Moses now routed this to the right topic. Moses is my Hermes agent. This is how I call my Hermes agent. Now, why is this important? This is important because let's say you have multiple topics. You don't have time to start looking at which topic should be the correct topic to start sending tasks to. You can just go to the main chart, which is the main board and Moses, and then tell Moses what you want to do. In my case is Moses, not you. Of course, you can tell your Hermes agent what you want your Hermes agent to do, and automatically your Hermes agent is going to route that task to the appropriate topic or the appropriate group topic. I'm going to share with you the prompt that I use to build or to create this workflow so that you can apply similar with your own workflow. But I want you to understand the main brain behind this. The main brain behind this is Notion and Obsidian. They are my source of truth. I want to make sure that I built the structure inside Obsidian and Notion before going to anywhere else. That's a mistake most people make. They want to first of all start prompting, working without a proper infrastructure. The Hermes agent or any AI agent cannot function properly without the right infrastructure. And inside my framework, I focus on SVL, which is structure, value, and liquidity. This helps me a lot to be able to work with anything that I come across, be it a tool or a project. Now, let's go and try something out here, an example to see how Hermes is going to react to it. Let me use whisper flow here. Hey Moses, I want us to do a research on how businesses in Gothenburg react to AI. So I'm gonna send this, and you see Moses is gonna route to the proper workspace. Moses has already routed in the back end to the research. You can see, yeah. Moses have routed. Hey Moses, I want us to do research on how businesses in Gothenburg react to AI. You can see research, library, and intelligence. Guys, this is powerful. Let's try a new example. And now I'm in this group topic, the BETONG capital and finance. So I want to ask something from Moses to route me to a different or to the appropriate chart. So I'm gonna now send this to Moses. Hey Moses, tell me what we can do for Beton Pay today. You can see Moses is routing me to Beton Pay, but look at where I am. I am inside the Beton Capital and Finance. So this was the wrong topic or the wrong workspace. Now Moses is routing me to the right workspace. So if I click on this, I'm gonna open it to the right workspace. So clicking on this right now, it will take me to the right workspace. You can see this is the right workspace that I was supposed to go there and then ask the question directly inside this workspace. But I can ask any question through any workspace and automatically it's going to redirect me to the right workspace. And this is powerful because you don't have to now mix things together. You can work with Hermes inside different Hermes sessions because each workspace is a separate Hermes session, and this is powerful for those of you who understand how to build a sustainable AI agent. If you want to try out something like this, the prompt is below, and if you try it and you fail, you want someone to help you out, I can help you out. Make sure you join my group. The Telegram group is found below this video, the BETONG Network, and comment that you want me to help you with your workflow, and I'm going to tell you how to proceed with that. We can do Zoom call, set up your Hermes agent in a way that you are going to enjoy it. Go and check out thebetong.com for more information about what I do inside the Betong. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, thumbs up, like this video, share with your friends, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.